Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to remove Toyota Tundra door handles. First, gather your tools, including a trim removal tool, a 10mm socket, and a Phillips screwdriver. Begin by carefully prying off the interior door panel. Work slowly to avoid damaging the clips. Once the panel is loose, disconnect all electrical connectors from the window switch and door lock assembly. Set the panel aside safely. Next, gently peel back the plastic moisture barrier to gain access to the internal handle mechanism. You will see two 10mm bolts that secure the handle assembly. Remove these. After the bolts are out, carefully detach the connecting rods from the handle. These rods control the latching and locking functions, so handle them with care to prevent bending or damage. Now, from the exterior of the door, slide the handle forward. This action disengages it from its mounting points within the door frame. With the handle disengaged, gently pull it straight out, being mindful of any wires or cables that might still be attached. Take a moment to inspect the area for any remaining clips or fasteners that need attention. To reinstall your new door handle, simply reverse the steps we just covered. Ensure all connecting rods are securely attached and electrical connectors are reconnected. Before fully securing the door panel, test the new handle's operation and all electrical functions, like window switches and door locks. This ensures everything works correctly. For more great content and to check out the new Kindle Paperwhite, along with other fantastic deals, be sure to look at the links in the description below. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.